This is the Hello World Podcast.
Six. So ano pa tayo ha? Hindi pa tayo nag-go live, right? Implementation pa lang to.
Correct.
Okay?
Correct.
So course testing, and then you do an employee orientation. Okay? Employees muna. Okay? Employees. Kasi the next one is leaders orientation. Notice that they are separate. They're different.
The
right?
employees here would be the users of the courses.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Usually kasi Louie, when you when you have an LMS, different accesses yan eh. So there's a learner, there's a manager. Depending on your role, you could have different capabilities. Parang powers. Meron kang powers. Kung learner, so yung viewing of courses, accessing courses. Pero pag learners, pag manager ka, usually what you could do is you could enroll a team member to a course. Right? Or you could post mga announcements. You know, you could also create a mini community there for your group if you have an LMS there. Okay, kaya go ahead, sorry.
And I'm now thinking about this, that the managers can really get more involved in the learning experience as well.
Exactly.
Provide that what, 20%, di ba? In the 70-20-10, the mentoring and the coaching.
Exactly. Okay. Yeah, they'd be given more kumbaga power to have a contribution to the learning of their team members there. So iwalay po yung employee orientation and then leaders orientation kasi they have to understand the purpose of having an LMS for the managers. Okay, and then so that's 6 and 7, and then of course 8 is you do a go live. There. So once na orient mo yung team members and then yung managers, you've done all the road show, you've communicated it well, go live na tayo. And then everyone will be given their access to the LMS. And usually, and no, not usually, this is done automatically. Okay, you don't have to send an email. All the user credentials, announcements can be done automatically within the system.
Hi everyone, this is Louie Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.